Welcome back to RS Academy. So, thank you for your wonderful support and thank to all my subscribers and supporters. So, today onwards, I would like to start new program that is Unstoppable Chemistry with NRS. So, in this program, I would like to make videos related to plus one and plus two, and these videos based on organic chemistry, especially, and these videos may help to crack so many competitive exams. So get ready students, so don't skip any video and complete. So watch the video till end and get clear picture regarding to organic chemistry and plus one and plus two as well. So please subscribe the channel, share the videos with your friends and like the videos. Thank you. Compounds are can be classified into two types based on their origin: inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Inorganic compounds mean those compounds are obtained from the non-living organisms. They are made from the minerals on the earth. In case of organic compounds obtained from the living organisms. So make a note, my dears. Organic compounds. Organic compounds. So organic compounds are obtained from living organisms. Organic compounds are obtained from the living organisms. Living organisms. Living organisms. Living organism. This is given by J.J. Berzelius. J.J. Berzelius, Swedish chemist. Swedish chemist. J.J. Berzelius. Organic compounds are obtained from the living organisms. This is what given by the J.J. Berzelius. According to J.J. Berzelius, organic compounds are obtained in the living organism by vital force. Vital force. What is vital force? Vital force. Vital force. Vital force is a mysterious force which is required to obtain organic compounds in living organisms. So based on this point, he was proposed one theory, that is vital force theory. Vital force theory. Prepared vital force theory. And at the same time has given one challenge to remaining chemists. Organic compounds cannot be obtained or cannot be prepared in the laboratory because we are unable to create vital force which is necessary for living organisms, which is necessary to obtain organic compounds, to prepare organic compounds. So in the laboratory we can't create the favorable condition to prepare organic compounds. So make a note, organic compounds are obtained from the living organisms. According to J.J. Berzelius, organic compounds are required vital force to prepare organic compounds instead of the living organism. So based on this point, he was proposed one theory, that is vital force theory. So next one, no one can prepare organic compounds in the laboratory because we can't create favorable condition which is necessary for the obtained organic compounds from the living organism. So this vital force theory was disproved by vital force theory disproved by Friedrich Hohler. Friedrich Hohler, German chemist. Friedrich Hohler, 1928. So vital force theory was disproved by Friedrich Hohler in 1928 by preparing one chemical compound one chemical compound, one organic compound from inorganic compound. So let me write the equation. When ammonium sulfate treated with potassium cyanate has got potassium sulfate and ammonium cyanide. Let me balance this equation. Ammonium cyanide. Later, ammonium cyanide or further heating itself adjust and converted into urea. This is the organic compound. Listen carefully. Organic compounds are obtained from the living organisms. It was given by the scientist J.J. Berzelius. So he was proposed vital force theory. So vital force is a force which is necessary to get organic compounds from the living organisms. So vital force theory was disproved by German chemist Friedrich Wöhler. Right, he was prepared one organic compound from the inorganic compound in the laboratory. So urea is an organic compound which is prepared from the inorganic compound ammonium cyanide. Right. Next one. After this one, Henel prepared ethyl alcohol and Berthelot prepared methane. So this is the introduction regarding to organic compounds. Organic compounds are obtained from the living organisms. So this was given by the Berzelius. He was proposed one theory. So vital force theory. Vital force theory was disproved by Friedrich Wöhler. German chemist prepared urea from ammonium cyanide in the laboratory. So later Henel prepared ethyl alcohol and Berthelot prepared methane. Organic compounds. So mainly carbon and hydrogen present in the organic compound. If you take any organic compound, you must have seen that carbon and hydrogen present in organic compounds. Along with carbon and hydrogen, you will be having spoon X. Along with carbon and hydrogen, sulfur is present, phosphor is present, oxygen, nitrogen and X. X is halogen, 17th group elements. These are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Bromine and iodine. So these are the main constituents of organic compounds. So mainly carbon and hydrogen. Along with carbon and hydrogen, so phosphorus is present, sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen. X means halogen. Halogen is 17th group elements of the periodic table. So example, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. These are the main constituents of organic compounds. Listen carefully. Carbon plays a very important role in organic compounds. So we can consider the carbon as a hero of the organic compounds or hero of the organic chemistry. So that's why we have to know about carbon. Right. Carbon is an element. You must have known that nearly 118 elements are present in the periodic table. Among them, carbon is one of the elements. Next, not only that, carbon is a non-metal. So what is non-metal? What is a metal? So metals are generally the elements which gives positively charged ion by the loss of electron or electrons are considered as metals, whereas non-metals are elements which gives negatively charged ion by the gain of electron or electrons. So carbon itself is a non-metal, and carbon atomic number 6, mass 12. That means each carbon atom has 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. 6 neutrons. Next one, electronic configuration of carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So based on this, I would like to draw the electronic structure of carbon. Have a look, my dears. Carbon, let us assume the nucleus of carbon. First shell, second shell. Right? First shell has 2 electrons, second shell with 4 electrons. This is the electronic structure of carbon. Carbon is an element, it's a non-metal. Each carbon atom consists of 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. And electronic configuration of carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That means each carbon atom has 2 shells. First shell with 2 electrons and second shell with 4 electrons. Next one, valency electrons of carbon. Valency electrons of carbon 4. What is meant by valency electrons? The electrons present in outermost shell of carbon. So you must have seen that carbon has 2 shells. The first and second shell will be considered as valency shell. Those electrons present in outermost shell of an atom is called valency or called valency electrons. Carbon has 4 valency electrons. Then valency also 4. Valency also 4. Valency also 4. That means carbon has tendency to give 4 covalent bonds with neighboring. 4 covalent bonds. So later on, let us have a talk what is meant by covalent bond and what is the tetravalency of carbon. Okay, right. Valency electrons 4. Valency also 4. Right. Next one, the location of carbon in periodic table. Location of the carbon in periodic table. So what is the location? What is meant by location? Location of the element in periodic table is nothing but what is the group of the particular element, period of the particular element and block of the particular element. So that means you must have know that periodic table consists of 118 elements, and 118 elements are divided into blocks: S block, P block and D block and F block. And 7 periods are there in the periodic table, 7 periods, and 18 groups are there, 18 groups. So this is a basic information regarding periodic table. If you look at the periodic table, you must have seen that 118 elements are present in the periodic table, and these elements are classified into blocks S, P, D and F blocks, and 7 periods are there and 18 groups are there. So vertical columns are called groups and horizontal rows are called periods. So you know that very well. Okay, man. So then what is meant by locating element? Location of element means so it belongs to which block and which period and which group. So this is called as locating of element in periodic table. So where does the carbon located in the periodic table? What is the group of the carbon? What is the period of the carbon? What is the block of the carbon? So you must have know that because of, so I said the carbon is a hero of organic chemistry. So before going on what's the movie of organic chemistry, you must have know the introduction regarding to our hero, that is carbon. Okay, so what is the location of carbon? So let us find out. So electronic configuration of carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Lost electron entered in P. So those element in which lost electron or differentiating electron enter into particular orbital, it belongs to particular group, particular block. That means here differentiating electron entered into P. So that's why so H belongs to P block. It belongs to P block. Right. So that means carbon belongs to P block of periodic table. Next point, how many shells are there? Two shells, first and second shell. First shell and second shell. So number of shells of the particular atom is equal to its period. So it belongs to second period. Belongs to second period. How will you find out the group? So group. Right. So I am going to one note here. Please make a note. In case of P block elements, group number equals number of P electrons plus 12. Number of P electrons plus 12 only for P block elements. In case of P block elements, to find group number, we should use this formula. Group number equals number of P electrons plus 12. Number of P electrons. How many P electrons are here? 2. So 2 plus 12, 14th. 14th group. Is it clear to you? So this is an introduction regarding to carbon. Carbon is organic compounds consist of are made up of mainly carbon and hydrogen. Along with carbon and hydrogen, so sulfur is there, phosphorus, oxygen, nitrogen, and halogens. Halogens are 17th group elements like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Next one, carbon is a hero of the organic chemistry, so that's why we should have introduction regarding our hero carbon. Carbon is an element, it's a non-metal. Each carbon atom has 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Electronic configuration of carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Next one, valence electrons in carbon 4, the valence also 4. And location of carbon belongs to P block, second period and 14th group. So this is the basic information regarding to carbon.